Hola clase. In this unit, we will be looking at comparisons of equality and inequality, and specifically comparative sentences, which are a bit formulaic. In Spanish, these are your formulas for these comparative sentences. Notice that there are some repetitions. Adverb and adjective has the same structure. Noun is a little bit different. A verb is quite different. And here are some examples. Mi hermana es tan alta como mi madre. Tengo tantos libros como la biblioteca, etc. And inequality. So equality uses the words tan and como, and tan in some variation, such as tanto, tanta, tanto. And inequality uses más or menos and que. Bien, soy más bajo que mis hermanos. Mi primo maneja más rápido que yo, etc. But we can summarize these because there's some duplication, as we mentioned earlier. If you notice, inequality really has only two formulas. We can simplify these into this chart, which is the one you should familiarize yourselves with. This chart for regular comparatives. It's just a formula, so you just plug in the words of the comparison that you want to make. Por ejemplo, tus compañeros estudian menos que tú. Since it's a verb comparison, here's your formula. Verb menos que. Verb menos que. Tus compañeros estudian menos que tú. Bien. There are some irregular comparatives of inequality, and these are very important in Spanish. Menor, mayor. So we can say, instead of saying, mi hermano es más joven que yo, I can just say, mi hermano es menor que yo. Menor que yo. So menor replaces más joven. Más joven. It replaces this part of your structure. Más or menos. And the word. Bien. Mayor is important because we also use it to refer to elders in the family or in the community. Por ejemplo, I could say, la abuela de mis hijos es mayor, is older. We usually don't say viejo, vieja with people out of respect. We use mayor instead. Although people within the family may address each other, right? Spouses may call their spouse viejo or vieja out of endearment. But when referring to elders in the family or community, we usually use mayor culturally. Bien. And then, of course, you have mejor, better, and peor. And with these words, we usually don't use más or menos. Right? We don't use más or menos. Bien. Here are some examples. Mi hermana es mayor que yo. Remember that replaces más viejo que, más viejo que yo, más vieja because it's hermana. Mi hermana es más vieja que yo. Mi hermana es mayor que yo. Bien. ¿Esta película es peor que la anterior? Peor. You may hear some people, some regions of Mexico saying peor, but in spelling, it's always peor. Bien. All right, clase. Nos vemos hasta la próxima.